Which of the following is not mentioned as the usage of monthly GDP data? Where do we have this reference? It is the third paragraph that refers to the monthly releases of GDP. So let's answer this question in this context. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, forecasting future growth. In the context of monthly GDP data, the third paragraph refers to the potential for future growth. So this aspect is mentioned. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, understanding the relationship between inflation and full employment. In the context of the monthly release, the passage refers to the trade-off between inflation and full employment, which relates to the relationship between inflation and full employment. So this aspect is mentioned. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, tax income estimates and fiscal policies. Again, in the context of the monthly releases of data, the passage mentions projecting tax revenues and conducting fiscal policy. So these aspects are mentioned. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, studying long-term government programs such as Social Security. The third paragraph in the discussion related to the monthly releases of GDP has a reference to studying long-term issues such as the future of the Social Security system. So this aspect is mentioned. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, understanding the relation between tax revenues and Social Security system. In the context of the monthly releases of GDP, the passage refers to tax revenues and Social Security system, but the passage makes no suggestion regarding any relationship between the two. So this answer choice cannot be established as a usage of monthly GDP data. E is the correct answer choice.